Mom, beautiful, Mom, beautiful. Beautiful. So that's where is Will? Oh, there behind is sleeping. He's tired. There, where's that? He's tired. What? Oh, there. He's tired. We're back home like 30 minutes ago. So the blood test is just to check their kidney and liver if it's working fine. There is nothing wrong about the kidney and the liver. So the result is very good. And this is Elmo. I took Elmo inside the house like 3 days ago because I'm not so much peaceful thinking Elmo there alone outside because sometimes it's raining and little cold. That's why I took him here, and I add more cage. I add more cage there, so we have a little wider space to run because Elmo is very hyper. So look at the box. He chewed the box, and he also bigger now. He grow fast. And I remake the shelf, and I will do something here. That's why I have this. So little messy. And this one I will remove this because it's very ugly now since this would float when I have flood. So I will remove that. I don't need it. And it's still early. It's like 12:30. So I maybe go market for buy a drawer for their medicine. So it's little easier for me if I have one drawer, so I don't need to open here one by one if I want to get something. So drawer, we'll buy drawer. And here I want to take Oreo before for test about the virus, testing for virus, because I want to know what causing the cold, because it's very long time now. We still look at Oreo. The ice is watery ice. So Oreo is the weakest kitten here. Look at his eyes, but they don't have the kit. They don't have the kit for that test. That's why. So maybe next week I will try again. If they have the kit, then I will bring Oreo. I want to be sure, because like I said, the cold, it's been a month now. Oreo still have watery, always have watery eyes because he is the weaker kitten here, and one kitten. But anyway, Oreo is the weakest kitten. And let's see what the piglet doing. Hello. Hey, very big. So here's the from the taking the blood. Very big. So his kidney and the liver is working fine. So maybe I will put him to the other cat so he can go outside the cage. Not so soon because I will still need to do something. And maybe here, let's just close this. I will maybe show you where I want to add more cage. It's a very bright day. Very bright day. Beautiful. Here. So I'm thinking to add more cage here. here. But that one, I'm sure I cannot do that alone, so I need help. I need help from someone. These two, until there. Very bright. Where? Until there. So they can walk on the roof without having any fight to the other cat. Maybe there. We'll put cage there. So they have more place too. More place for them. But not so soon. I will think how. Because this cage, they like it. They like it so much. That's why it's good to have more cage there and goes on the roof. And maybe here, this part. Maybe I can add 4 to 5 cage here. This one, I can do this. I don't need help because it's not so much high from here, so I can do this alone. Bing! This is the nursing daddy. Hey, hey, nursing daddy out there. Hello. So they can go here if have cage. So it's very good idea. It's depend on my budget if I can buy more cage. But like I said, it's very good idea to have here cage. This cage here can put cage here. So but not so soon. This cage, this is Elmo cage, but I will not remove this just in case of emergency. So I will keep that cage there. And also I'm looking for the puppy. I'm calling for the black dog because I have her medicine here. The black dog have mange, so she's not here. I already have medicine for her. For her mange. And look at my hand. My god, this is pain when I'm working yesterday. And I maybe have a pregnant cat here. That's why I bought a supplement for the pregnant. This is milk enhancer. Well, I will tell you next time how I have a pregnant here. I will tell you next time. Okay na? Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. And this one just finished spayed 2 weeks ago, so it's not so much swollen now. Okay na, bye-bye. Bye, Elmo. So Elmo is not so much kitten now. He's a young boy now. And very naughty. Okay na? Bye. And anyway, I maybe let him go little soon. There. So he will be more happier because more space. Okay na? Yeah, bye.